Hey guys, I'm Nick from PRL, and today we're installing the High Volume Plus duct on our 23 Air Integra. What should be included with your kit is your High Volume Plus duct, your silicone coupler, 2 hose clamps, 2 M5 button head cap screws, 1 M6 flange bolt, and your mounting bracket for the duct. Of course, you're going to need to remove your high volume intake prior to the install. For removal tips, please refer to our install guide that already exists for the high volume intake. These are the tools that you're going to need to install your High Volume Plus duct. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 1/4" drive ratchet with a short and a long extension, a 10mm socket, a 3mm Allen key, a 3-inch hole saw, a power drill, and some sort of breaker bar with a 19mm socket to get your wheels loose. Of course, you're going to need a floor jack too to jack the car up when we remove the fender liner. So before we start drilling the box, we're going to want to go ahead and remove the map housing and the filter out of the box. For this, you're just going to need a 3mm Allen key. So go ahead and remove the 3 button head cap screws holding the map sensor to the box. Now you're ready to drill the bottom of the box so that you can draw air in using the high volume duct. So you're going to take your drill and your 3-inch hole saw. You're going to want to line it up with the pre-drilled hole that already exists. And you're going to want to go ahead and pull the trigger. Once the hole saw becomes flat to the face of the box, then you can drill your hole. So now we're there flat. And we can just drill the hole. Again, make sure you're drilling nice and flush to the bottom of the hole. Just like that. Got a hole in the bottom of the box. So I've got the car jacked up and I've got the fender liner partially moved out of the way. This step isn't 100% necessary, but it makes the install a little bit easier when it comes to accessing the pesky little bolt that holds the factory resonator to the frame rail down here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that bolt right now. So the next thing we're going to do is fix the mounting bracket for the High Volume Plus duct to the actual car. This is the mounting bracket. It's basically going to sandwich between the factory resonator and the frame rail in this orientation. So the next step is securing your duct to the bracket that you just installed in the car. Something to keep in mind is making sure to keep that bolt loose so that you can move the bracket around during the installation process to make it a little bit easier. To fix the actual duct to the bracket, you're going to need the 2 M5 button head cap screws and your 3mm Allen key. The next step is installing your silicone coupler onto the High Volume Plus duct. Once that's in, you can tighten your hose clamps down, pop the box in, and you're good to go. We've now got the HV Plus duct installation finalized, so let's hop in the car and see how it sounds.